You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is y equal or greater than -14. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 4 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 0.5. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is y equal or greater than -14.